Alright guys, welcome back. It's the real Chad. This is Chad. Today I'm going to be doing some live bait fishing. I got a dozen medium live shiners. I'll get into a little bit more details on what I'm using. But if you haven't already, click below, like and subscribe, and let's see what we can get. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be using the Lose 300 American Hero. I'm using a 20-pound braid line on here with a 30-pound leader. The rod's going to be the Star Rod, 6'7". But my main pole is going to be right here, this bad boy. It's the Stratic 3000 on a custom built rod by TNR Tackle, 7-footer. And yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully some snook before this video ends. See you guys later. Little cichlid. Oh, that's cichlid. Cichlid, there he is, another cichlid. Alright, so 3 cichlids in. I wasn't targeting for them, but it's 8 o'clock at night. Hopefully some snook come out right now. Just saw a school of mullet come by, and let's see what we can get. It's currently about high 80s right now. It's beautiful out. Didn't rain earlier, so we'll see what happens, but hopefully some snook later on tonight. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so it's 8:45 right now. I did see a few snook chasing some mullet. I'm gonna go back out there. I'll show you the size shiners I'm using. I know last week I did hook up to a nice size snook. This is the medium size over at BJ's on Flamingo in 84. Last week I had a nice size snook. I was not using leader, so I'm a little disappointed in myself, but the snook was probably a good 20-25 inch snook. Jumped 3 times, and then the third jump it just snapped off. So I am prepared. I got my leader right here, so stay tuned. I think we're gonna get one tonight. Alright, so just saw a couple snakeheads over here. I don't have the frog with me today, but I caught a few before on some shiners, so let's see. It's 9:30. Still nothing crazy, so if I get anything at this point, I'll take a snakehead. I'll take another cichlid at this point. I don't care. The point is being out here in the great American outdoors and just having a lot of fun while doing what you love doing. And me, just I love fishing and catching fish. If I don't catch fish, at least I'm fishing. Think that one over. Alright, so I got the spotlight here. I'm looking for pretty much the red glow in the eyes of snook. As you can see, got my spotlight. Got the light on the bobber. I'm also scanning the whole banks for any kind of fish. Again, looking for snook, if not some snakehead. Yeah, I just saw, like I said, 2 snakeheads just now. I think I scared them because they get spooked so easily. But if you want to just take a look at my light over here, see how it shines down like that, like that. But yep, that's my bobber. Got a little medium-sized shiner, still alive, still kicking. But again, no snook yet, and the key word was yet. So stay tuned. Oh God, this smells nice. This smells nice. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Snake. Snakehead. Alright, get him out of the weeds. Alright, she's not going anywhere. I need to grab the net for this one, guys. Oh yeah, look at that. See everybody? Look at the snake. Oh, catfish. Ha! We got a catfish. Wow, first time catfish. Alright guys, we got a catfish here. It's starting to sprinkle. Pretty cool. A snook! Oh, it took me off. It took me off. It was a snook. Fuck. Oh. See, what happened was, I got too excited, never set the hook, and he just spit it right out. Dang. There's something on the bottom. Something got me good. Oh, this one was screaming. Oh, it's coming up, it's coming up. Might be an alligator. Slowly coming up, you can see the line moving. Oh, what is this thing? Let's keep our light on it. Come on, there we go, there we go, there we go. There we go. Oh, I feel it, I feel it. I feel teeth. Oh, what is this thing? Oh yeah, there we go. What is that? What is that? Oh, where's that line? Where's that line in the water? The other pool. Can't see what it is. Snake. We got a snakehead. We got a snakehead. We got a snakehead, people. Let's grab the net. Stay tuned and grab the net.
Okay.
One hand net. Woo! The big one. Hell yeah. I just got my late night snakehead over here. Let me see. Late night snakehead. Oh yeah. Hey, what's up? Woo-wee! Alright guys. Nice snake. Say goodbye. Alright guys, hey, thank you for watching The Real Chad. Had a blast. Just to recap, caught the 3 cichlids over there by the lakeside this evening. 2 were on the bigger side, 1 was alright side. Personally, I don't like catching cichlids. It's kind of like a waste of time, but fishing is fishing. So I put a little pause out there. I went out towards the evening time in the backyard. I hooked up on this snakehead. It started just rip and drag, and then it got stuck towards the bottom. And I'm like, all right, great. I lost a fish. Gave it some loose drag. Next thing you know, popped out. And as you can see, how big that snakehead was a nice size. Lost another snook again. I think it was my fault. Got too excited. I think I pulled the hook way before than I should have. But hey, whatever. And then the catfish. Let me tell you, that's very rare that I caught, because I know this water I don't see many catfish, but hey, I'll add that to my list. But again, thank you guys for watching. We're gonna have another video coming up later this week. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and thank you again. See you soon.